So what's up YouTube? I hope all are doing fine, and let's clear this, which is the last video, which was in the last video. Okay, I hope all are doing well, and let's start this video. Okay, in this video I'll teach you about how to use a clear command. So clear command is basically which will clear the screen. Let's say you have a bunch of commands. Okay, bunch of commands, then you need to clear the screen. You can do control L also. You can press control and L, which will clear the screen. But if the control button is not working, what you will do? Then there is one more command that you can use, that will be clear, clear. Okay, you can also use clear clear, that will clear the screen. Okay, what do you do in the Windows? In Windows you will type cls instead of clear, so that will clear the screen. Clear, it will clear the screen. You can also check the man page, I guess. Yeah, you can use instead of term man page clear. Yeah, clear, it will clear the terminal screen. It will clear the terminal screen. There is many arguments that you can use. Indicate the time of terminal, then do not attempt to clear the screen. You can just do clear t hyphen capital letter T, or else hyphen capital letter small letter yes. That will do not. Okay, you can come back and do not try to clear. Scroll back. Okay, it will make an option that you can scroll back using your mouse. It will go back. Okay, so this is, you can also check clear version. That will display the version, I guess. No, it does not have a version. Okay, this is all up guys, and thank you for watching. This is the use of a clear command, and thanks for watching. Bye.